Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SREERAJ and in this video we're gonna check out how to clear the watch history of Facebook videos. You may be watching a lot of videos on Facebook for entertainment every day. Also, you may have noticed that Facebook is tracking you by saving all your activities on Facebook. In this case, all the videos you have watched is saved under the video watch history. Sometimes you may have come across the list of videos that you got tracked and may have felt uncomfortable with that, like it had triggered a thought of threat to your privacy, and in another case you may have felt like Facebook is recommending more videos based on your watch history. So you want to get the watch history cleared. Hence you are here in this video, and let's quickly move on to the solution. Firstly, open the facebook.com homepage. So in this video we will be checking the solution only for the PC version. That is, you can try out this method on the desktop version of Facebook, either on your laptop or on your desktop PC. So in the next video I will be showing you how to do the same process on your Facebook mobile application. So you can stay tuned for that video. Also, I will be leaving the video link in the description of the video. So firstly, open Facebook on your PC web browser, and here we can see the news feed. In the right top corner, click on the account button. Now go to the setting and privacy. Click on activity log. Now we are in the activity log page. Here in the left side we can see all our Facebook activities. It includes our Facebook likes, shares, comments, and watch history and other actions. So we need to see our video watch history. For that, just click on the filter option in the top and select videos you have watched filter. Then save the changes. Now we can see the list of videos we have watched, and it includes our Facebook videos, short videos, and reels. Here I can see the list of videos I have watched, videos I have watched today, yesterday, on April 17th, on April 16th, etc. If I want to delete only one video, then I can click on the three dots and click delete option. And if I want to delete all the videos and clear complete watch history, then I can click on the option clear video watch history. Again, click the button to clear all. Bingo! Now all the videos are completely cleared. So the video history clearing process is complete. That's how easily we can clear the video watch history from the desktop version of Facebook. You can do the same on your laptop or PC. So in the next video I'll be showing how to do this process on Facebook app of our smartphone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, like, share and subscribe. This is SREERAJ signing off.